My name is Elise and I'm the Financial Services Manager. Okay, so what my job entails, after you meet with your financial advisor and you decide to purchase a vehicle, you come in here with me. We'll do a quick credit application together. We'll go over protections and I will get you approved, and I'll make the process as easy as possible for you, and then you can be on your way with your new car. When I was a kid, I wanted to be an artist and I wanted to be a singer. So I went to university and I got my honors in fine arts. What makes Great Lakes Honda unique is that it's more so like a family here. I couldn't picture myself working anywhere else. So the best piece of advice I've ever been given is love your neighbor as yourself. So something about myself that might surprise most people is I sing worship at church. All right, Great Lakes backwards. S-E-K-A-L-T-A-E-R-G. Yeah. Oh, my retirement plans, most likely traveling.